Hi, here we are for lesson 4 in the train time, our train time exercises. Okay, so last lesson we ended up with the double kick and in sort of random positions, I suppose. That particular pattern, I suppose, doing the double kick and the snare is kind of echoing it. Kick drum, double kick first and then the snare. So with this lesson, we're going to talk about rim shots. Okay, so the rim shot, not to be confused with stick across rim or rim click, or even this kind of rim click. But rim shot, that's where you're hitting the rim and the head at the same time. So, it's a matter of getting, the stick hitting the rim and the head. Needless to say, you can only really do this on an acoustic kit. If you've got an electric kit, you may have a pre-programmed sound for a rim shot. There might be a way that I think some of the more modern kits do have, that you can hit the rim and you will get the sound of the rim shot. As opposed to the rim click, which is, use that a lot in reggae. May not come across reggae yet. Anyway, we're going to incorporate this into our train time rhythm. So, just on the snare. This is where, you might be playing with a band or more musicians where it's all starting to get a bit noisy and you want to get the drums to cut through, and I can assure you that when you do the rim shot, they really will. Back in the day where I was playing in rock bands, I would be more or less hitting the rim all the time, with my left hand. Very noisy. Okay, so just the snare. Bring in the kick. We'll just stick with the 1 and the 3 for now. Okay, no need to worry about double beats while you're concentrating on this one. So bringing it up, let's just try that on your own first. I'll still play rims here, okay, where you're trying to get that together. Okay, once again. Bring that up to speed. And now bringing in the 2 beats. Now let's bring in some variations where you're bringing in the double beat on the kick and all these accents with your new rim shot accents. Okay, now depending on where you are in your sort of journey on the sort of drums, you might want to, if you're sort of starting to, you know, do some draggy type things, you can incorporate that kind of sound with your rim shots as well. Okay, like I say, all very noisy. So give that a go. And I'll see you again for our next lesson, which will be our last one, and we'll talk about some other accented stuff that we can do, and then maybe just in detail what Jake is doing with Lightning Bolt. Anyway, hope to see you then.